Thanks to the gods. Alam niyo po, gumagamit ako ng hidden shoulders. Kaya natalo ko si Cotto. Si Manny Pacquiao! Pero seriously, Manny has brought honor to the country, right? And yun nga, pero yung kwento ko kanina po, totoo po yun. Totoo yun. As in, I don't know anong nasa isip ng mokong na yun. Sabay, as in sabay. The same year, the same months, the same day. Yung sa kanya, libre lang. Diba? Ewan ko ba bakit hahamunin ko na lang ata ng boxing yun. Kung naman natin. Anyway, nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Alright, a lot of people have been asking where I learned how to sing. Honestly, I got this from my parents, from my dad who is a choir teacher in Iloilo, and my mom who is Sharon Cuneta. Ha? Sample? Sample? Anong sinisigaw niyo sa showtime? Ginaganon ako ng mami ko. Hindi nyo kaya yung talent fee ng nanay ko. No, but for my dad and my mom talaga, yung mom ko kasi malakas talaga boses nito. Kaya, di ba, powerful. Kaya doon ko nakuha yung talent na to. But more on my dad, kasi siya po, he's been teaching the choir since I was a kid. And bahay po namin, it's been, the rehearsal place of the choir. So I picked up all the techniques on how to sing. And yung daddy ko po, mahilig po sa karaoke. Sinong mahilig sa videoke dito? Diba? Videoke, huwag na kayo mahiya. Hindi kayo Pinoy kung hindi kayo mahilig sa videoke. Diba? And you know what? Every day po na ginawa ng Diyos, kumakanta po yung tatay ko every morning, every evening. Pare-pareho lang po yung mga kanta niya. Hanggang ngayon. And because of that, I came up with a medley of songs which I call my dad's medley. And my dad, he would like me to, eto isang tip na binigay niya sa akin, sabi niya, this is one thing that you should do. Sabi niya, if you can't sing the song right, do not sing at all. Yun yung sinabi niya. So dapat daw, kung paano ginawa yung kanta, dapat ganun din yung pagkanta mo. So when you sing, you just don't stand and sing. May forma daw. Yung forma, dapat medyo nakabuka ka ng konti. Ganyan daw, tapos medyo kuba. Kuba, tapos yung isang kilay, nakataas. Kita pala, yun. Tapos medyo kagat ng labi. So, eto na yung forma. Music, please. Only you can make all this world seem right. Only you can make the darkness bright. Only you and you alone can fill me like you do, and you fill my heart with love for only you. Only you can make all this change in me. For it's true, you are my destiny. When you hold my hand, I understand the magic that you do.
pretender, adrift in a world of my own. I play the game, but to my real shame, you let me dream all alone. To real is the feeling of make-believe. To real is when I feel what no heart can conceal. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender, just laughing and gay like a clown. You seem to be what I'm not. You see, I'm wearing my heart like a crown. Breathing, you're still around. Oh, my darling, I'm hungering for your touch all eternity. And as time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. So are you still mine? I need your love. I need your Godspeed your love to me. Ito ba? I'm so young and you're so old. This might go